Right, hi everyone. I'm just going to do a quick video of ringing my birds. I use little rings. They're not from the collar canary. They are literally just little rings that I get from the internet with orange for the year. So this is how I do it. I don't know if they're a bit too young, but it should be about the right age. So I try and turn the chick over, then try and grab hold of the foot like that. While keeping the big toes out. Put one through, so on and so on. It is a bit tricky. Once you got to that stage, you can then just slightly touch the big toes and then just pull them through with a bit of poo on my hand. You can see, so that's one done. Let's put that back in. You're just going to have to double check them in the morning or whenever you can, just to make sure that they've all still got the rings on. But I find it easier just to do them at night. That way the hen will sit straight back on them. Shouldn't hopefully get too much issues. So again, turn the chick to the side, wait for it to stop moving its feet, point the three toes out, got a ring on the right way, big toe through first, then the other two toes, and then push the leg just until you can get the big toe, and then you just pull it through nice and gentle, and then pull the big toe, the back toe through at the end. So that's that one done. So that's the two done, and then the third one will be this one. Turn it to the side again, grab the foot. I don't know if you can see this, but I don't want to keep them out for too long. Through the big toe, yeah, through the big toe. This one feels a bit trickier. So through the big toe, like so. Get the other toe through. Yeah, chicks just, some are harder to ring, some are easier. So grab all toes, put it through, push down at the bottom of the leg, and then you can slightly, little tug, not too hard, to damage the chick over the back leg, and then you are through. So there you go, that's what the chick should look like. And then I'll put that back in. That's the three chicks rung. So that's those done. So yeah, that's all those three chicks done. I'll put them back in for the parents. Just going to check the rest of them. I'm going to check this pair down here, see what. I'll give these chicks another day. This pair up here with the two chicks. Yeah, again, I'll give those another day because these are the bigger birds, so they probably need another day because the ring sizes are a bit bigger. So on with this pair. I'll check this one. What we got? Big food crops. I'm going to try this pair. These three chicks. See how we get on. So with these, there'll be the bigger rings. So I can always try it in a worst case scenario. I can just put them back. So again, same with these chicks. Grab them, grab their feet. Big toe through first, then the other two. Then you can slightly, just not too hard, you don't want to injure the birds. See, the ring's going on quite quick, so I've got a feeling that'll come off by tomorrow, by the time that I go to check on them. But you never know. So that's that one done. I can put that straight back in the nest. And then we got, let's do the other two quickly. Let's get that one. Has that one been done? No, that one hasn't. Just very slightly. It doesn't, you know, you've got to be really delicate. The chicks are, so you've just got to be really gentle. And you know, once it's done, it's done. You can just leave them to it. So just keep wiggling it. That comes out. Get rid of the poo. So that's the second chick done. I think there was one more in here. I think it was this little one. If I'm right, yeah, it was. So again, back claw back, pinch the others together, and then through the toes, slightly pinch just to bring it forward, keep working its way down the leg. And then that's done. So that's those three done. So yeah, that's it guys. As you can see, let's get that just in there. So there you can see guys, the chick's nice and rung. So yeah, thanks for looking. Thanks so much. Bye bye.